Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Monday, September 18th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, Marketing for an AI-First World. Saudi Arabia's Communications, Space and Technology Commission, CST, has unveiled a roadmap to enable the 5.9 GHz frequency band for V2X or Vehicle-to-Everything technology. The roadmap includes a number of phases, including analysis of the technologies and regulatory challenges, paving the way for wider use of driverless vehicles. US and Saudi forces have completed the Middle East's biggest ever counter-drone military exercise at the Red Sands Joint Training Center in Saudi Arabia. Designed to test countermeasures against unmanned aircraft systems, or UAS, in real-world conditions, the exercise followed an initial joint exercise in March. And the Saudi CST announced the launch of a joint initiative with the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, to create innovative solutions using satellite communications services to bridge the digital divide globally and support sustainable development. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.